The second you stop reacting, something happens inside him that he will never, ever admit to you. And once you see it, you will never unsee it. Let me take you inside his head, because this is the part nobody explains properly. You've been told to stay calm, don't react, grey rock, that's all fine. But nobody tells you why it works. And the why is everything. And here it is. He does not have a self the way you do. You have a center, a core, something in you that knows who you are, even when nobody's watching. And yet he doesn't. Where that core should be, there's a gap. And he fills that gap with you. More specifically, with your reactions. Think about this. Every time you cried, every time you argued, every time you explained yourself for the 100th time at 2 in.the morning, you were doing something for him without even realizing it. You were his mirror. Your reaction was proof that he mattered, proof that he had power, proof that he was even real. When your face filled with hurt, he saw himself in it. And for a second, that gap inside him went quiet. That's what he was addicted to, not you, the reflection. So now picture what happens the second you go calm. Not cold, not cruel, just calm. The mirror goes dark. He looks into your face for the proof he's always needed, and it isn't there anymore. He panics, but not because he misses you, but because for the first time, he simply can't find himself. Now, watch what he does next, because it almost always goes in the same order. First, he gets sweet. Suddenly, he's the man you met. The apologies, the memories, the I've changed. That's not love. That's him trying to switch that mirror back on. If that doesn't work, he provokes you. He finds the one thing he knows gets a rise out of you, because a negative reaction is still a reaction. Even your anger will feed him. And if you still don't bite at that, then he will likely start to get cruel. He runs to the new person, the fast replacement, the one he somehow makes sure you find out about. And I know exactly how that one lands. You think, how did he move on so fast? Did any of it mean anything? So listen to me. He didn't upgrade. He just found a new mirror, because an empty man will always need someone to reflect him back to himself. That was never about your worth, not once in this scenario. Now, here's the part I really need you to listen to. The reason staying calm feels so hard isn't because you're weak. It's because a quiet voice in you is scared that going calm makes you cold, heartless. That if you stop caring this much, you're becoming a little bit more like him. But you're not. His emptiness is that he can't feel. Your calm is the opposite. Your calm is your nervous system finally deciding you're safe now. That's not you shutting down. That's you starting to heal. And the cruelest, most beautiful truth in all of this, your reaction was the only thing he ever really controlled. It was the one currency that he could spend. And the day you stop handing it over, you don't just take your power back, you take back the one thing that was always yours to start with. He just never wanted you to know that you were holding it. So I'd love you to tell me, what was the moment maybe where you went quiet and you could feel it? I don't know, the scaredness in him. Let me know in the comments. I'm going to read through them and get back to everyone. And if you enjoyed this video, I make videos like this all the time. Take a look through my channel and see if there's any you enjoy. Until next time, take care.